Today, I'm going to be making grilled cheese. By today, I mean tonight. It's currently 10:19 p.m. I'm in pajamas. I'm home alone. What else are you going to do when you're home alone in pajamas and hungry, right? And a little sick, but that's okay. If you're watching this right now, I love you. You know? Who wants to see my cookie jar?
Get your hand on my cookie jar!
What? If that's not the funniest thing you've ever heard, I don't know what is. Let's make this grilled cheese. Go on! I'm sorry, baby. We'll do one of those things where we just... and it's just everything else, okay? So here we go. Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. Cooking time? Indeed it is. Okay. So what I want to do first is bring you a little bit closer. This is my mount for my phone right now. Yes, you are sitting in my toaster. And yes, I know you like it. Okay. So, obviously first we gotta get our bread. Two slices of large bread. I don't know, like, if it's wheat or white. This is white, right? I'm pretty sure this is white bread. Pretty unhealthy. Doesn't look like I care. Look how happy this child is. So we got this. We also need The knife is for, well, that's for you to decide. I want crack, I swear. We got our butter. We're just gonna, this is what I like to do. If you don't like to do this, to each its own, as they say in Greece. Just get some butter, you know, put it on your finger a little, give it a little taste. You just put it on the thing, just spread it a little, you know, spread it on the bread evenly. Sometimes it's a little freaking hard, doesn't want to cooperate. And that's okay. Once it looks buttered enough, you decide what buttered enough is. You know, it's all up to you. Then you just slap that little girl on. You know what? I think we're gonna get some Pam. Thank you. Got some Pam. Oh, what's that? You like grilled cheese? Oh, what's that? You like spatulas to press down on the bread when it's cooking? Me too. Slap that baby on there. Ouch. Turn this little girl on. Hello. That shouldn't have said that. That would turn the stove on. Just let that baby simmer, baby. Well, that is warming up a little bit. We're gonna talk about you. The most beautiful, kind, compassionate, caring person I've ever met. I mean, to be honest, you and I got a better love story than Romeo and Juliet, baby. You're the spice to my McDonald's Sprite. You're my water when I'm lost in the desert. You're the ice to my cube. You're the Millie Bobby Brown to my Drake. My bad. Just gotta give it a little check, you know. See how it's doing. It's getting pretty good. Going along pretty well so far. About now is the time where you look at this bread closer. If you open your bread and then you put this back on your bread when you're like done using your bread, why? Like, you could just give it the old twist and tuck, you feel me? You ain't gotta put that baby back on. Come on, what you doing? Anyway, so now we got the other piece of bread. Just wanna get some butter. Okay. That's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, huh? Now what you want to do, get your little sliced cheese. Gotcha. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Gently place it on, right smack in the center. Place your other piece of bread. Press it down just a little bit. Give it the old shimmy shake. Flip. And now, let that baby sit. It'll be done shortly. What goes good with all grilled cheese? Plates to put them on. What can I say? They say never walk away from a burning stove. Oh, we're gonna use this in a second. They say never walk away from a burning stove. But I'm gonna go put up this bread. Can you watch this for me? Thanks. Here's a question. Why does applesauce take so long to expire? It says April 7th, 2021. Let's check our grilled cheese. That is looking so good! Splendorous! Absolutely grand. I think I might be the best grilled cheese maker out there. Leave in the comments below. I'll show you guys in a second. Yes, I'm eating applesauce with my grilled cheese. Do they really mix? Yes, of course they do. I'm not eating it with the grilled cheese. Like, it's not gonna be like mixed into it or something. I'm not gonna like dip it into it. I'm just like, it's gonna be like a side, you know? Everyone loves a good side. Shout out to all my hoes out there. Don't tell my girlfriend that I don't have. You want to see it now? Oh, wow. Flip. Ooh. Ooh, come wife me up. Oh, what's that? Yeah, I did cut it into a triangles. Guys, I have nothing to drink. Water has been destroyed. There's no such thing as water on Earth anymore. If you follow me on Instagram, this spatula is a little familiar. Y'all remember this one? I'm a chef, baby. What can I say? Always remember to move your pan over so it can cool down faster, because you don't want it on the hot surface still, you know? And if we're lucky, the cats will walk over it and they'll die. Then I won't have to clean up after them since they don't know what a litter box is. Hey, Maya. You guys want to see my dog? Want to see my dog? Maya, say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Maya. What's up, dog? Come here. Say hi to the vlog. Say woof. Come on, you're always barking. Why aren't you barking now? I think we've given it just about enough time to cool down. Time for the first bite. I'll rate it 1 grilled cheese out of 10 grilled cheese, somewhere in that spectrum anyway. I'm not rating it yet, obviously. I haven't even taken a bite out of it. I'd rate it a good 6.7389 out of 10. And sorry guys, if you're expecting some ASMR eating like last video. Prank! It's not eating without ASMR. Applesauce time! Out of 10. Out of 10. Maya. See, she just barks. She just barks. Bark, bark, bark! I'm losing my mind. You don't want to see me slam my head on the counter now? Don't worry. I don't feel pain. Unless it's emotional. Here, I'll take off my glasses just in case. With the glasses on or without? Leave it in the comments below. 3, 2, 1. Wow! Guys, this is why my parents got divorced. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, smash the comment button, make sure to comment your favorite notification sound that's pre-installed to the Apple iPhone or Android devices. Mine personally is cricket chirping in a blue moon on a Thursday at approximately 7:09 p.m. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you want me to make you a grilled cheese, you gotta come over, because I'm not bringing it to you, because I do not have a car. When my YouTube blows up, which it will, if you guys are real ones, by the way, shout me out on all social medias. And check me out on social media. Tell all your friends about me, and we'll all make grilled cheese together. How's that sound? What was I saying before? Me when my other dog won't stop barking. Ghost! Silence! I thought ghosts were like quiet. Why is this ghost so loud? I don't know why I do that. I have asthma, and I cough every time I start wheezing because I'm a little baby. I'm so tired, man. Subscribe or else.